I don't like buying snacks outside, and this is one of the homemade snacks I like to make. So cheap and easy to make. So this is sweet potatoes. First, you want to rinse the body of the potatoes to wash away the sands and any dirt on the skin. Go ahead and rinse after peeling everything off. Rinse it thoroughly to remove sand. Next, you are going to peel in thin slices. First, I am showing you this tool that you can use. You can use this, but this gives a very thick cut or slices. It's not so thin or tiny. Then you can also use this as well to make your slices. This gives a very flat and thin slice. You can easily get this tool in the market. It is sold for 500 naira. I like it because it is multi-purpose. You can also use it to grate and scrape carrots and other veggies. So this is the slices. This is the result. As you can see, it's very flat and tiny. After frying, this gives a very crunchy and crispy chips. But mind you, it gives smaller sizes and smaller cuts. Like it comes out in pieces, very small pieces. But you see this other tool, it gives big and thick slices. So it depends on what you want. You can go for what you want. As you can see, this is what it brings out. It's very thick, flat, and big. After peeling, you can also rinse it in a salt water solution, but I didn't do that here. I'm just going to fry it like that. So you can see the thin and the thick difference. Now heat some oil in the pan, and when it's hot, fry on medium heat. You don't want to fry on high heat so that it won't get too dry and burnt. So you want to fry on medium heat, and you can keep stirring and tossing it around so it can fry evenly. As you can see so far, I've only used potatoes and the oil I'm using to fry, so it doesn't require so much ingredients. This can also start as a very good business if you don't have much capital. It's beginning to fry now and looking crispy already. Don't let it get too brown. It fries so fast, so you have to watch carefully. So this is the other thick slices I'm frying now. The first one was the tiny slices. So this is a thick one. After frying, I'm going to show you the difference. So here it is. The one on the right is the thick slices, while the one on the left is the thin slices. So you can see it's very flat, wide, and thick, but not as crispy as the thinly sliced ones. If you are still here, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please get me to 1K subscribers, please. Thank you. Also, let me know which country you're watching from. I would like to meet you and give you a shout out in my next video. Thank you. So this is the thinly sliced ones. I prefer this. You can see it's so crispy and crunchy, and you won't get tired of it. This can also serve as back to school snacks for your kids. I'll do a compilation video of different snacks I make for my kids for back to school in another video on the channel later. So stay tuned and look out for more. So I'll be mixing both together. That was just for illustration purpose. I'll mix it together and enjoy it like that. Have you tried making potato chips before? Is this how you made yours? Did you do something different? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you. So after mixing it together, I decided to sprinkle some dried chili pepper on it. I want it spicy. My kids also love it spicy. Like that, we don't get tired of eating it. Mix it together so the pepper can go around and incorporate into it nicely. You can package this for business. You can use any nylon or any packaging of choice. You can store in the fridge and snack on it anytime you want. You can also put it in your kids' lunch bag for school snack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.